This is the other unit.
It's so hot. Well, here it is after install. Repainted and everything, reproduction. It's finally in its final state. Yeah, I think it's gonna work great. It's been plugged in right there. We'll get an outside shot later on, and we'll fire it up here in a minute. Starting.
Just give me a second, wait.
Alright, it is in. Start it up. Unfortunately, I don't have my temp gun on me this time, so I can't measure the exact temperature that comes out of this vent here.
Coming out pretty cold though.
But it's probably around 50 degrees or so. That's low fan. Here is medium.
Big fan.
This is medium. And this is high.
It's like a hotel.
Alright. Daisy sheets in there. This is a 93, as I stated beforehand.
It's an 83.
Oh no, this is an 83. Oh no, this is 83 or 93.
83.
There we go. So here it is from the outside.
That's about it.
Compressor's nice and quiet, but I do hear the fan. Sounds powerful. 40-year-old unit, still running great. And there's the Goodman right there, and the Comfort Maker, and the Fujitsu mini split heat pump. But I guess that's gonna be it. As it turns out, I actually did have my temp gun. I was just oblivious to the fact that I left it in the car. But anyway, still dropping.
It's surprisingly quiet.
Still going down. Drinks? Drinks?
Yeah, drinks.
I'm gonna steal one in a second. It's like near freezing. Yeah, really. 30-year-old unit blowing out 33-degree air. 40.
Not surprised. Not surprising at all.
40-year-old unit. Oh, it's 40 years. I'm confusing this one with the Westinghouse white. Or the
White.
Why Westinghouse?
Westinghouse white.
Westinghouse. 40-year-old unit. Gibson.